this is going to begin the installation of SKU model 0509 1x1 driveway alert system. As you can see, all batteries have been installed. You can also use a DC 6-volt adapter, sensor. Batteries have been installed. We're going to turn on the unit. Select the desired mode. That would be sound, light and sound. We can change our settings from alarm to low, and shine. This button here is our pairing button. This will connect the small sensor to this unit. We're going to go ahead and press once. Slowly sway our hand over the motion detection. It has registered. We give it a couple of seconds for it to generate a code. Press our hands again.